This video will show you how to make the staff schedule for a new month for UWS Cambodia. You can see that I've already got my Google Drive open in the staff schedules folder. And the first thing I'm going to do is make a new month in the correct place. So here we have a folder for December 2018. And when I've done that, I need to locate the main staff schedules folder again, because inside here is a blank spreadsheet that I can use to make the sheets for each week. So I'm going to make a copy of this. And now move it into the right place. Now that I've put it in the folder that I just made for December, I'm going to open it up and make sure everything's correct with this sheet. One thing I might need to do is to put any new staff members at the bottom of the list of names. So if I do have any new staff members this month, I select the last row, which has a name already written in it, and I choose Insert, Row Below to make a new row for the new staff member. This is where I can type any new names in that I have. I can also do the same thing if there are any new drivers. We don't have any new staff members this month, so I'm going to undo what I just did. And now the sheet is ready for me to carry on. So I'll close that for now. And the next thing to do is to make all the sheets for every week in the month of December. I'm going to find out the relevant dates by looking at my calendar. Here in the month of December, I can see that I need to make sheets for Monday the 3rd, the 10th, the 17th, the 24th, and the 31st. So I'm going to rename the sheet that I just made the 3rd of the 12th, 18. I'm going to make a copy of this and rename it to the 10th of the 12th, 18. I need to do that until I've got 5 sheets for the 5 weeks in December. I'll just pause the video now while I do that quickly. Okay, now that I've made a sheet for each week, I need to make sure that the dates in each sheet are correct. So I'm going to open up this first sheet again. And you can see that even though it's the sheet that begins on the 3rd of December, 18, it still says Monday the 1st of January here. When I click on this, the date appears here, and I need to change that to the 3rd of the 12th, 18. You can see that now that I've changed that, this changes to Monday the 3rd of December, and all the other dates in the week change as well. One last thing to do for this sheet is to open up the list of places, and you can see that there's this error message here, and when I hover over it, it says allow access. I need to click on allow access, and it automatically writes the names of all the schools we have in Cambodia. And now this sheet is done. I need to do that for all of the sheets that I just made. So I change the date for this one, So this one is the 10th of the 12th, 18. That changes, and so do all the other dates in that week. I click on the list of places and choose Allow access to write in the names of all the schools. When you've done that for every sheet in the month, you're finished. Thank you very much.